Who's got the cleverest canine? Let's find out. Today, we're pitting family against friends in the ultimate dog trick challenge. On one side, we have the family team with their trusty pooch Rover, and on the other, our friends' squad featuring the energetic Bella. It's a battle of wits, wags, and wagging tails. First up, the classic sit command. Rover nails it with a perfect pose, but Bella, she's got the sass with a little tail wiggle. Next, it's time to roll over. Rover's got the technique down, but Bella's adding her own flair with a mid-roll bark. Now for the grand finale, play dead. Rover's dramatic collapse is Oscar-worthy, but Bella's over-the-top performance? She deserves a standing ovation. So who's the top dog in this trick showdown? Is it the family favorite Rover or the friend's dynamo Bella?